Black rice, also known as forbidden rice or purple rice, is a specialty rice variety that has gained popularity for its unique color, distinctive flavor, and impressive health benefits. Black rice farming involves the cultivation of this ancient grain, which has a rich history dating back thousands of years. This type of rice farming is not only about producing a visually striking crop but also about harnessing its nutritional value and contributing to sustainable agriculture. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Climate and soil. Black rice typically thrives in tropical and subtropical climates with warm temperatures and adequate rainfall. Well-drained, fertile soils are ideal for its cultivation. Planting and growth. Black rice is typically grown from seeds and can be sown directly in the field or started in nurseries and later transplanted. It's important to maintain proper spacing to allow for healthy growth and prevent competition for nutrients and sunlight. Water management. Proper irrigation is crucial for black rice farming. The crop should be consistently supplied with water, especially during the critical stages of growth, but excessive water should be avoided to prevent waterlogged conditions. Pest and disease management. Like other crops, black rice is susceptible to pests and diseases. Integrated pest management strategies are used to control pests and reduce the need for chemical pesticides, promoting eco-friendly farming practices. Harvesting. Black rice is typically ready for harvest when the grains have turned deep purple-black and the moisture content is appropriate. Harvesting is done manually or with the help of machines, depending on the scale of farming. Post-harvest processing. After harvesting, black rice undergoes milling to remove the outer bran layer, revealing the deep purple-black inner grain. Proper post-harvest processing is essential to maintain the rice's color and nutritional value. Conclusion. Black rice farming combines traditional agricultural practices with modern techniques to cultivate a unique and nutritionally rich crop. With its striking appearance and health benefits, black rice has found a special place in both culinary traditions and modern diets. Sustainable and responsible farming practices are crucial to ensuring the continued availability of this remarkable rice variety for generations to come. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.